Case study: tracing a missing automotive engineer. Ingolstadt client background: a UK-based automotive company contacted Bond Rees to trace a missing automotive engineer who had travelled to Ingolstadt, Germany to supervise the testing of new electric vehicle components for a major car manufacturer. Ingolstadt, home to several leading automotive companies and research facilities, is a critical hub for the development and production of cutting-edge automotive technologies. The engineer was responsible for overseeing the final stages of the component testing. After missing several key project meetings and failing to check in with the company, concerns arose regarding both the project timeline and the engineer's well-being. The investigation Bond Rees gathered all relevant information about the engineer's recent activities, communications, and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near the city centre, close to the headquarters of one of the world's largest automotive manufacturers. The last known communication from the engineer was a phone call confirming attendance at a testing facility located in the Manching district, an area known for its automotive research and development centres, digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and recent financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer at the testing facility in Manching, but after that point, no further communication was recorded. Bond Rees reached out to local project managers, testing facility staff, and hotel employees to gather more information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had been present for the initial stages of the testing, but had not returned to their hotel or attended any follow-up meetings. On the ground investigation in Ingolstadt, Bond Rees dispatched local investigators to Ingolstadt, focusing on the Manching district, the testing facility, and key transportation routes. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from the testing facility and surrounding areas to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had remained at the facility late into the night to oversee additional testing of a critical component. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had suffered a medical emergency due to exhaustion after several days of intense work. The engineer collapsed at the facility and was taken to a nearby hospital. Unfortunately, delays in communication, combined with a damaged phone and misplaced identification, prevented the hospital from contacting the company. Outcome Bond Rees quickly located the engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this critical information to the automotive company in London. After receiving medical treatment and rest, the engineer was able to recover and resume work, ensuring that the component testing continued with minimal delays. Why Bond Rees? This case demonstrated Bond Rees's expertise in managing investigations within high-pressure industrial environments like Ingolstadt's automotive sector. By combining digital forensics, local knowledge of the automotive industry, and efficient on-the-ground search operations, Bond Rees ensured the safe recovery of the missing engineer, allowing the company's project to proceed without significant disruption.